So the driver at the house was looking really tired, so I gave it a bit of a pressure wash, not very successfully. Brushed it down, pressure washed it, and then I've bought some Tarmac Restorer. I'll leave a link to it if I can find it in the description. And then got it in a paint tray, got an old brush and a roller. Mistake I made was I should have got a thicker, longer haired masonry roller. It's supposed to have 2 coats anyway, but if you can see the difference between the old and the new. You just find with a short roller that it doesn't go in to the dips very well, so I just need a longer haired roller for the second coat. Size of the drive, it fits 2 cars end to end, and I've got 5 litres, and I might just about scrape the first coat. So if you want to restore your tarmac and make it look a bit better than that, a lot more like that, then a few hours with a bit of Tarmac Restorer, and I think the results are quite good.